Next, write down fifth problem. Find the number of turns in each of the following APs. Okay, first problem 7, 13, 19 and so on 205. So very important. So second problem 18, 15 and half, 13 and so on minus 47. So what is the find out? Number of turns. Turns on a word vintane em gurtuku ravali. Find the value of n. Okay. So write down first problem. So given list of numbers 7, 13, 19 and so on 205. So find the number of terms. So term అనే word వినిపిస్తాను మనకి ఏం గుర్తుకు రావాలి? n గుర్తుకు రావాలి. Okay. So find the number of terms. n is find out. So a is or in AP. Already ఇవి AP లో ఉన్నాయని given condition ఇచ్చారు. So first term a is equal to 7. Common difference. The values increase or decrease? The values are increase. How much increase? 6 increase. So increase got it plus 6 is a common difference. Ledante a1, a2, a3 and so on an. So a2 minus a1. So a2 value 13 minus 7. So 13 lo 7 subtract out 6. So taking last term or nth term. Last term equal to 205. Okay. So last term written as an. An is equal to 205. An how to write? Which formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal 205. So what is the value of a? A is equal 7. So written as 7 plus. So n is find out and d. How much d value? 6. 6 is equal 205. 7 plus, okay, 7, next step. So plus 7 is transposing. n minus 1 into 6 is equal 205 minus 7. So n minus 1 into 6 is equal 205 is subtracted 7. So 15 lo subtract 8. 198. n minus 1 equal to 198 divided by 6. So into is transposing right side division by 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 3 ja 18. 1 is there. 6 3 ja 18. So n minus 1 equal to 33. So n equal to 33 plus 1. How much? n equal to 34. What is the n? n means number of terms in AP. So number of terms is equal to 34. So total 34 terms in AP. So given list of numbers 7, 13, 19 and so on 205 are in AP. The already in AP. So find the number of terms. So find n value. So a is equal to 7, d equal to a2 minus a1, 13 minus 7 equal to 6. Last term is equal, how much? Last term is 205. So last term is an equal to 205. So an formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 205. So a value 7 plus n minus 1, d value how much? 6 is equal to 205. So n minus 1 into 6 equal to 205 plus 7 is transposing minus 7. n minus 1 into 6 equal to, so 205 lo 7 subtract hote 198. Okay. So next n minus 1 into 6 is equal 198. n minus 1 equal to 198 by 6. 6 3 ja 18. 6 3 ja 18. So n minus 1 equal to 33. n equal to 33 plus 1. So n equal to 34. So number of terms 34. Okay. Write down. Okay. Go to next problem. So second problem 18, 15, 1 by 2, comma 13 and so on minus 47. Write down question. So given list of numbers 18, 15 and half, 13 and so on minus 47. So values are in AP. So the values are in AP or not? So AP, okay, already in AP. The values increase or decrease? So 18, 15 and half, the values are decrease. How much decrease? So 15. So how much decrease? 15 minus the 15 and half, 18. So 18. So values are decrease. Sorry, the values are decrease. How much decrease? 15. A2 minus A1. 15 and half minus 18. So values is decrease minus. So decrease how much? 2 and half. Okay, write down first term. A is equal to 18. Common difference. So D is equal common difference. A2 minus A1. A2. 15 1 by 2 minus 18. The values are decrease. So how to simplify this one? So 15 and half rupees 18. 18 rupees borrow, 15 and half rupees తీస్తే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? లేదు అంటే ఇంకో మెథడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ. 15 and half minus 18. So 2 15 ja 30 plus 1. 31 by 2 minus 18 by 1. So LCM 2 cross multiplication. 13 1 ja 13. 2 8 ja 36. 2 18 ja 36. So minus 5 by 2. So that is called meaning minus 2 and half. So directly write 8 rupees borrow అందులో 15 and half rupees తీర్చగలిగితే రిమైనింగ్ అమౌంట్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 2 and half rupees. Okay, 2 2 ja 4. 5 by 2. That is a common difference. Taking last term. So taking last term, which formula? AN equal to minus 47. Okay, write down. First write down this one. Go to another step. So AN, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal minus 47. What is the value of A? A is equal 18. So n is find out. D is equal minus D value how much? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, return if this step is not considered. So 18 plus n minus 1. How much D value? Minus 5 by 2 is equal minus 47. So plus 18 is transposing. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal minus 47. Minus 18. Plus 18 is transposing right side minus 18. Both are negative. We get added. How much add? 7, 8, 15. 5, 6 minus 65. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal minus 65. Okay, write down. Next write down next step. So the continue ikkada tarvata ikkada continue. Minus 5 by 2 is a fraction. So reciprocal what is taking? N minus 1 is equal reciprocal minus 65 into 5 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 5 minus also consider. So minus into minus plus. Next step. N minus 1 is equal minus into minus plus 2 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. So n minus 1 equal 13 2 ja 26. N equal to 26 minus 1 transposing plus 1. N equal to 27. So what is the n? Number of terms. Equal to 27. Okay, write down. Okay, so given list of numbers 18, 15 and half, 13 and so on minus 47 are in AP. First term A equal to 18, common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. So this is A1, A2, A3. So 15 and half minus 18. So 18 rupees minus is a big number. 18 rupees lo 15 and half rupees welte 2 and half rupees. So D equal minus 5 by 2. Taking the last term AN minus 47. AN formula A plus n minus 1 into D equal minus 47. What is the value of A? a is equal 18. 18 plus n minus 1, d value is considered minus 5 by 2 equal minus 47. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal minus 47 plus 18 is transposing minus 18. So n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equal minus 65. N minus 1 equal to minus 65 into minus 2 by 5. So minus into minus plus. So n minus 1 equal to 65 into 2 by 5. Okay. So 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. N minus 1 equal to 13 2 ja, 26. Minus 1 transposing plus 1. N equal to 27. Number of terms equal to 27. Write down. Next problem. Okay, sixth problem. Write down. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11852. Write down. So next problem. Check whether minus 50 is a term of AP 11852. So minus 50 which term ku minus 150 అవుతుంది. సో కండిషన్ చెప్పినాను, ఎన్ వాల్యూ అనేది ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫామ్లో ఉండకూడదు. ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫామ్లో ఉండకూడదు. ఎన్ వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ కూడా ఉండకూడదు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ట్రూ ఆర్ కన్సిడర్ నాట్. సో రిమైనింగ్ వచ్చి మైనస్ 150 అనేది పాజిటివ్లో ఉంటే విచ్ టర్మ్ అని చెప్పగలుగుతాం. సో ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్. ఆల్రెడీ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఏపీ. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ ఏపీ. The values increase or decrease? Decrease. How much decrease? Minus 3 is the decrease. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So first term. So first term, how much? A is equal 11. Common difference. So D is equal 8 minus 11. So subtracted. A2 minus A1. How much difference? Minus 3. So taking last term minus 150. Taking last term is equal minus 150. What is the last term? AN. AN is equal minus 150. AN formula A plus N minus 1 into D is equal minus 150. So what is the value of A1? 11. That is A. So first term 11 plus N minus 1. How much D value? Minus 3 is equal minus 150. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal minus 150 by 11. Sorry, let's not consider this step. So N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal minus 150. Okay, write down these steps. Write down. Next step. Write down first. Continue next step. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal minus 150 plus 11 is transposing right side minus 11. Minus 11. So N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal how much? Minus 169. Both are negative, we get added. Both are minus 150 minus 11. Both are negative, we get added minus 161. So N minus 1 equal to, so into is transposing divided by minus 161 by minus 3. So N minus 1 is equal 161 by minus 3. So into is transposing divided by minus minus cancel. So N minus 1 equal to 161 by 3. Okay, write down these steps. 161 by 3. Write down this step. Next, continue next step. Okay. So N equal to minus 1 is transposing plus 1. 161 by 3 plus 1. N equal to, so cross multiplication 3, 161 plus 3 1 ja 3. So N equal to 164 by 3. So the value, but N is not taken fraction. But N is not taken fraction. Fraction form తీసుకోబడదు. So So minus 150 is not a term of the given list of numbers. Okay, write down. So given list of numbers 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on minus 150 are in AP, A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, AN. First term A equal 11, common difference D, A2 minus A1, 8 minus 11 how much? Minus 3. Last term minus 150, AN equal to minus 150, AN value A plus N minus 1 into D is equal minus 150. So A value 11 plus N minus 1 into D value minus 3 is equal minus 150. So plus 11 is transposing minus 11, minus 150 minus 11, both are negative, we get added minus 161. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal minus 161. Into is transposing divided by 161 divided by 3. So minus minus cancel, N minus 1 is equal 161 by 3. So next step, N equal to 161 by 3, minus 1 is transposing plus 1. So division by 3, 161 plus 3 1 ja 3. So 164 by 3. So n value is not taken fraction. So minus 150 is not a term of the given list of number. So minus 150 అనేది ఇచ్చిన ఏపీలో అసలు ఉండదు. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్. Next problem. So 7th problem. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. What is the find out? First 31st term of AP. So first condition 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So find the 31st term of AP. Okay, write down question. In AP, 11th term equal 38, 16th term equal 73. What is the find out? 31st term. 31st term. What is meaning 31st term ante? A31. A31 how to write? A plus 30D. A plus 30D. So, ante find out A value, D value. A value, D value find out. And substitute this one. So, A11th term means A11 is equal 38. A11 how to write? A plus 10D is equal 38. Equation number 1. Next, A16 is equal 73. A16 how to write? A plus 15D is equal 73. Equation number 2. From 2 minus 1 we get 2 minus 1 we get A plus 15D is equal to 73. Equation number 2. A plus 10D is equal 38. Equation number 1. Okay. Next, subtraction. So plus A minus A will be cancelled. 15 ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ మర్చిపోవాలి, ప్లస్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ మైనస్. సో 15లో 10 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 5D. సో నెక్స్ట్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. 13లో 8 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 5. నెక్స్ట్ బారో తెచ్చుకుంటామండి, 1 వాల్యూ డిక్రీజ్. 6లో 3 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 3. సో బిగ్ నెంబర్ సింబల్ ప్లస్. D equal to 35 by 5. So D is equal how much? D is equal 5 1 ja 5 7 ja. So D value 7. Write down. D value 7. Next go to another step. Write down. So D value substitute from first equation. D value substitute in equation 1. What is the equation 1? A plus 10D is equal 38. Equation number 1. So A is find out 10D means 10 into D. D value 7 is equal 38. A plus 10 7 ja 70 is equal 38. A is equal 38 plus 70 is transposing minus 70. A is equal 70లో 38 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే బిగ్ నెంబర్ సింబల్ 2. సో 6లో 3 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 3. మైనస్ 32. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైండ్ అవుట్? 31st term is find out. 31st term is find out. So 31st term of AP. So what is meaning 31st term of AP? Please write down. A31 is equal A plus 30D. So A value minus 32 plus 30 into D value 7 minus 32 plus 210. 13 7 is 210. So big number symbol 210. 32 is subtracted 8. So 10 is there 7 178. So A31 term is 178. Okay, write down problem. Next go to another problem. Okay, write down. Okay, next eighth problem. If third and ninth term of AP 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? So please observe, if the third and ninth term of AP 4 and minus 8, that is meaning in AP third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8. This is a question. Third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8. Which term of the AP is 0? So what is meaning term and which one is find out? N. Which term of this AP is 0 and AN value 0. Okay, AN value is 0. That is meaning AN value is 0. Okay, so find the N value is find out. Okay, so write down problem question. In AP third term equal to 4, ninth term equal to minus n. Which term of n is 0? Which term అనే వర్డ్ వినిపిస్తాను ఏం గుర్తుకు రావాలన్నా n. టర్మ్ అంటానే n గుర్తుకు రావాలి. సో n is find out. Third A3 is equal to 4. A3 is equal to 4. So A3 is written as A plus 2D is equal to 4. Equation number 1. Ninth term, that means A9 is equal minus 8. A9 how to write? A plus 8D is equal minus 8. Equation number 2. Same, from 2 minus 1 we get A plus 8D is equal minus 8. Equation number 2. A plus 2D is equal to 4. Equation number 1. సో సింబల్ మైనస్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్, మైనస్ అంటే ప్లస్. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేకపోతే ప్లస్ ఉన్నట్టు సింబల్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ మైనస్. ప్లస్ ఏ మైనస్ ఏ క్యాన్సల్. 8Dలో 2D సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 6D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్, బోత్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్, వి గెట్ యాడెడ్ minus 12. 8 4 minus 12. D is equal minus 12 by 6. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja. D is equal minus 12. Okay, write down the steps. Write down first. Next go to another step. Okay, next, so D value substitute. So D value substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. So equation 1, A plus 2D is equal 4. Equation number 1. A plus 2D, D value minus 12 equal to 4. A plus into minus, minus 12 2 ja 24 equal to 4. Minus 24 is transposing 4, minus 24 transposing plus 24. A is equal 28. So A value 28 and D value minus 12. What is the find out? Which term of AP is 0? So N value find out jolly. So given taking last term equal to 0. Last term equal to 0. Okay, write down first is these steps, write down. So go to another step. So AN equal to 0. So what is the value of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal 0. So A value 28 plus n value is find out. D value minus 2 minus 12 is equal 0. So 28 is transposing right side. N minus 1 into minus 12 is equal plus 0 minus 28. So plus transposing minus 28. So write n minus 1 into minus 12 is equal minus how much? 28. Okay, write down a step. write down this one. Next step, go to, so n minus 1 equal minus 28 division by minus 12. Okay, write down. Sorry, please correction this one. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja, not minus 2. Not minus 12, minus 2. So d is equal minus 2 is correction, please. D equal to minus 2. Next, so d value substitute in equation 1. 2 into d value minus 2. So minus 4 subtracted plus 4. So a equal to 8. A is equal 8. So d value minus 2, not 2. So d value minus 2. So substituting. Last one, an equal to 0. A value 2. 28 plus n minus 1. D value minus 2. Minus 2. So d value, a value is 8 plus 8. So minus 2. N value. Okay. N minus 1 equal to minus 8 divided by 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. Okay. Write down next step. So n minus 1 equal to, last step, n minus 1 equal to 4, n equal to 4 plus 1, n equal to 5. So number of terms equal to 5. Fifth term is 0. Is 0. Okay, write down. So please correction. So in AP, third term equal 4, ninth term equal minus 8. Okay, which term is 0? Okay, so term means find the value of n. Term అంటానే గుర్తుకు రావాల్సింది n వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో విచ్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ 0 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుంది 0. ఈ టూ కండిషన్స్ మైండ్లో ఉండాలి. an వాల్యూ 0. an రావాలంటే a వాల్యూ d వాల్యూ రెండు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో a3 is equal to 4. a3 equal to 4. a3 is a third term. a3 is how to write? A plus 2d equal to 4, equation number 1. Ninth term, a9 equal to minus 8. A plus 8d is equal to minus 8, equation number 2. From 2 minus 1 we get 2 minus 1 we get. So equation number 2 is taken. A plus 8d is equal to minus 8. A plus 2d is equal to 4. Equation number 2 and equation number 1. Solving. Minus plus unte minus. ikkada em lekapothe plus unnattu taking minus. Plus a minus a cancel. So 8 lo 2 subtract avuthe how much? 6d. So both are negative, we get added minus 12. D is equal minus 12 by 6. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja. So d value is equal minus 2. Okay, write down. So write down, go to another step. Okay, so d value substitute in equation 1. D value substitute in equation 1 lo apply chestunam. In equation, which one? Equation 1. A plus 2d is equal to 4, equation number 1. So a plus 2d value 2 into d, 2 into minus 2 4. A plus into minus, minus 4 equal to 4. A equal to 4 plus 4. So a value 8 and d value minus 2. So which term is 0 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి take given last term is taking is equal 0. Last term means an equal 0. An value a plus n minus 1 into d is equal 0. So a value 8 plus n is taken n minus 1, d value minus 2 is equal 0. Plus 8 is transposing minus 8. So next step, n minus 1 equal to into transposing division minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. N minus 1 equal to 4. N equal to 4 plus 1. N equal to how much? 5. What is the 5? So fifth term is 0. Fifth term is 0. So write down. So write down the steps. So very important problem. Next problem. Okay, ninth problem. The 17th term of AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term in AP exceeds. So difference meaning 10th term is 7. 17th term, 10th term difference 7. Find the common difference. So very important problem. Okay, write down question. In AP, the 17th term of AP exceeds his 10th term is 7. So 17th term means A17. 10th term means A10. So difference is 7. How to write 17th term? A plus 16D minus 10th term A plus 9D is equal 7. A plus 16D minus A minus into plus minus 9D is equal 7. Plus A minus A cancel. So A lay over 0. So A minus A cancel. 16D minus 9D. How much? 7D is equal 7. D is equal 7 by 7. 7 into D. Into transposing division. 7 1 ja 7 1. So D value is 1. What is the D? Common difference. Common difference. So common difference equal to 1. Okay, write down.